Hi everyone, it's been a few weeks since 2 weeks since we moved in here, a little bit more than 2 weeks, and it's still a bit messy now, but we set up our work areas, our workplaces, and pretty much that's it. And I'll give you a little tour of what we did accomplish so far. So this is my spot. With the bench against the wall. There are still a few pieces here, like these leftovers from a table I'm not using right now, but still don't have a really great spot to put it. So temporarily it sits here. So I decided to share my small bench with my colleague. Sits over here. And Andreas is making a steam box. He's over here now. This is our small kitchen area. And the new lounge area. And still there are standing a lot of our scraps and sheets, and because we are now involved with other parties as well. Yeah, we still need to make a combined shelving system, which would be over here, to accommodate all our lumber from everyone. Total 6 people right now, maybe will be 7 in the future. So we probably even have to go up then eventually. The machines are right now, we still need to we still haven't reorganized them, but yeah, so this week probably it will happen. Only thing is that we now have 4 drill presses from everyone and 2 table saws, which is not really a big problem, but need to figure that out. Which machine goes, or which machine, or maybe we keep a few machines. So I decided to do things a little bit differently this time, and I had these transparent shelves. We got them from somebody, and they now support my boxes. I had this is the same rack, tool rack that I had in the old space. Still works, but I changed that. I took some of my files out of the packages and made some holes in here, so I can get them easily in and out without needing to open the package. And those things used to be in my tool cart, but I find this much easier as I work. You can just put them away whenever I want to and take them whenever I want. Here's a branch that the tool rack suspends here on the lower part, and a piece of this box shelf. There's a notch, as you can see, and it rests on there, and then the branch is secured there. To the wall. And up there I keep the stuff, most of the things that I use medium. I don't know, I don't use that much, but and the things that I really don't use, I use it mostly as a storage, is the most upper shelf. They're like things that I never use, almost never use. And on that side I also have some less important things on the second and third shelf. And over here underneath I made it's a simple system to keep the sandpapers in, and I can remove and change the sandpapers easily like this. And here on the first shelf, the most important equipment. Oh, I got these, our neighbors next door. They have a projection company which projects images on these white circles, white balls, and I got they had some mishaps, or they had some test pieces that they were gonna throw away, and I decided to cut them in half and make a lamp out of it. I think it looks really nice, but as you can still see all the welding spots. And this is one of those balls. But, I still have one over here. It's also stainless steel and coated with white. So I'm still gonna cut that one in half. I'm not sure what to do with it yet, but it looks really nice. And it gives a good amount of light as well. That was about the update. I hope you liked it, and I will be making videos probably in the coming weeks, whenever the machine shop, the machine area is all organized and ready to. I'm really ready to make some new videos for you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, everyone. And I'll post new videos soon. Thank you very much.